if you have Flow Launcher on your Windows computer and you no longer need it, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can correctly uninstall it on your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to permanently uninstall Flow Launcher, you need to go ahead and look for Control Panel program on your Windows computer. If you don't have this Control Panel, then you need to go to your Start menu, and from here just search for Control Panel like this, and I'll tap on it here. From this, now look for the option called Programs and Features and tap on it to open. Now this will open or highlight all the programs that you have on your Windows computer. Scroll down until you see Flow Launcher. As you can see, it is here. To uninstall this, you can right click on it and you should see uninstall. Alternatively, if you just click on it, now you can see we have an option to uninstall here. So click on this and we can see uninstall this program. If I choose this, the program will be uninstalled on my computer. You can see now under my programs, it is not among the list. And you can see the shortcut has also been uninstalled. So that is the correct way to uninstall Flow Launcher on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.